Hey, how you doing? It's Mike with the Barbecue Depot again. Today we're gonna go over the Delta Heat grills that come on our cart. This is the 32-inch G model. You can also get this in a 2-burner 26. You can get it in the 3-burner 32, the 3-burner 38. You can also get the 32 with the rotisserie and a sear zone. Same with the 38. You can also get it with a rotisserie and a sear zone. So going over a few features on the cart. So the carts, they come with a double door, very easy access. If you're using a propane tank, you'll have a place to put your propane tank. You'll have a shelf in here. Your transformer will be mounted in the back for your lights and for your ignition backup. So let's go over some features with the grills real quick. So this one is a 32-inch G model, no rotisserie, so you're gonna have 3 main knobs. If you had a rotisserie, you'd have a 4th knob here. So here we go, we're gonna lift up the grill hood. Very easy to lift. This grill has hood assistance springs here, which help make easiness to lift up the hood and everything. So this one comes with a warming rack. Like I said, it doesn't have a rotisserie. You can get it with rotisserie. You have stainless steel rod cooking grids that come with these grills. You do have briquette trays that go over the burners, and this one has U-shaped stainless steel tube burners. So if you did have the one with the sear zone, you would obviously have an infrared burner. So if you do get the grill as a G model or with just an R model with a rotisserie, you can always add the sear zone into these models as an afterthought. Have lights, you'd have a light switch, you would put it on. This one has 2 halogen lights on the inside. It's also gonna have 3 blue lights that go over the knobs to illuminate them. This one has a battery ignition and also has a ignition that would be a backup through the rotisserie. What you wanna do is you wanna push it in, hear the ticking noise. That means you're good to go with the ignition. You also have a drip tray here, so you always want to check this and make sure that grease isn't built up in it. And that's pretty much the Delta Heat grill on a cart. If you have any questions, you can contact the Barbecue Depot at 954-983-0451, or you can go to the website, thebbqdepot.com.